Lord, I could use a little break in the weather, 'cause it's getting hard to see where I'm going in this mess. I know it seems like we ain't talked in forever. I call upon your name, but I really must confess it's all in vain. Lord, how it rains. I've heard him sing about your showers of blessings and how they fall upon your children just as gentle as they do. But the flood keeps on coming, and I can't tell where I'm headed. You wouldn't lead me to the storm and then not see me through the hurricane. Lord, how it rains. Mother Nature does just exactly as she pleases. Farmers try to bargain, begging for refugees. The clouds roll down and settle right on top of the trees, and then it rains. Lord, how it rains. Well, the winds of change are coming, and there's nothing can be done. The clouds of doubt are gathered, and they're blocking out the sun. You told me peace, be still, and then heal me with a touch. And I hang my head in shame, because I don't pray as much as I complain. Lord, how it rains. Just exactly as she pleases. Farmers try to bargain, begging for refugees. The clouds roll down and settle right on top of the trees, and then it rains. Lord, how it rains. Lord, I could use a little break in the weather.